Today we're going to talk about the grouping. As you know, there is a common database operation that we use to group the items in a set based on like some properties. Luckily, Java8 now has this feature, and we can group the items based on the properties that we have. So let's start this. So I'm gonna write some tests here to show you what we have. Let's go with the comedians. So we have the comedians stream, and here we're gonna talk about, we are gonna collect the stuff here, collect grouping by. So let's group them by the, let's see what we have here. Comedian, and let's see, get, let's group them by the state that they live in. And here we are expecting map. Let's call it map. And this map has a string, which is the state name, and it has a list of comedian. So if we look at the list here, we are like, let's say, assert that. Let's assert that. Let's see what cases we have. Let's say, let's talk about California here. We have, so we are expecting 2 from the list, and we're gonna come to the map. Let's get object. We know it's California. We're gonna see the size, and we're gonna come here. Actually, that's equals, it's equals to. Here. Alright, let's run this test now. Alright, it passed, green. Alright, let's try another state here. Let's try New York and see. This one should be 1. Run it, pass. Let's try another kind of test here. Let's say we're gonna see, let's look for the name of, let's see, who lives in Pennsylvania here. So actually I don't know if Joe Coy lives in Pennsylvania. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna say Pennsylvania here. Are we gonna pull get first element? It's only one element here, and get name, and let's run it. And here we go, pass. So this is a very cool feature, the grouping by. Let's talk about another way of grouping here. I'm gonna take this and close it. Let's call this test2, and here we have the comedians. Alright, how about this? We're gonna group the comedian, and we're gonna group here, let's say counting. Here this will give us an issue here because we are expecting long, because the counting will give us like how many comedian belong to this state, and this should be integer, long, sorry. So let's test this again, see what we have. And this time we're gonna talk about something. So we have the counting, So here we have map dot get. The object is here. Let's talk about California. Let's talk about Pennsylvania. Run it. Boom. There's something wrong here. Why it's wrong here? So it says but was 2. That's not fun. Let's run the test again. Pass. So that's another thing that we can use here. We can use the counting. Let's talk about another way of grouping. Here, let's introduce another way of grouping. Let's say we want to see the maximum. Oh, Siri got annoyed by that. All right. So let's talk about here. We can talk about some. Let's see what we have actually. Collector dot. Let's talk about maxby. And here let's talk about. So here, for example, we want to find who gets like the maximum wage in each state. So we can use this feature actually, and in this case we're gonna use the comparator. Actually, let's see what we can do in this case. Okay, let me remember the example. It is okay. Comparing let me get the comparator thing. Sorry. Comparing integer, and let's take comedian get is it salary. All right, now what we have in this case, we have let's see, I think the list should be map of string and comedian. So, and if you can see here, they offered optional comedian, although like as you know, like if we don't have any comedian under the state, that we will get nothing, but it is what it is. Like they are returning optional object here. So all right, let's see what we have here. Let's change the assert here. We're gonna see, look at these guys here. Who's the maximum guy in California, since we have 2 Californian? So we're gonna see what here. Let's see dot get 0 dot get comedian dot get name, and in California, who's the maximum wage? He's the okay, Russell Peter. Yeah, take Russell Peter here and see if that's what we get. All right, let's run it, and boom, that's it. Just to make sure, let's come here, back here, and Let's go to Pennsylvania and see who's the maximum wage guy, and it's Joe Coy. He's the only one there, so we can't change that but we're gonna break out of this, so but it's worth it. So we're gonna change it to safe, which is we're gonna make it this number. Alright, let's see what we get here. This should fail. Yes, it failed. Let's come. How are we gonna test? Change this one. Let's change it to safe. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yes, that this 3 passed. This 2 got broken because now we have 2 comedians there, me and Joe Coy. And that's it. So you guys, as you see, like we went through like simple grouping here by like one property, and then we use the counting. You can use to group them, and then here we use like the comparing integer to get the maximum within each state. So I will leave it to you guys. You can play around with these, with these cases and come up with different scenarios. I think it's very interesting, and like if you want, to save some time, and like if you want to do some operations to group what do you have. I wish this was helpful, and shoot me a message if you have any question. Goodbye.